Hey angels, welcome back, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get this very soft, very simple, natural kind of look that's perfect for everyday wear. I'm also going to be showing you how I prep my skin before I do anything. Let's get right into it. I'm starting off with two dark spot creams because I had a huge breakout on my chin and it left me with a bunch of dark spots and hyperpigmentation.
Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about
you. Next, I'm gonna go in with the regular Pond's cream and some Pond's Wrinkle Cream. I don't have wrinkles, but prevention.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. But you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help.
Then I'm using sunscreen. This is the Cetaphil one. It does leave a white cast, but I found when I put a little on the back of my hand and like work it in, everything is a-okay.
You never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out of my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Now I'm just gonna do my brows. I usually use the Elf brow lift, but I found this brow lift at my beauty supply store and it works just as fine.
You so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me where we on the day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. You'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go on. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead.
Look.
We could go on.
Okay. I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex and hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating this, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out here.
Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go on. We could go it all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed?
Now we prime. I use this Maybelline primer with sunscreen in it, and then I just use the e.l.f. Power Grip primer.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this lie? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight.
So since it's summertime, I like to use a skin tint for coverage instead of foundation. I'm just using this Maybelline one that I got from Target. I ended up getting two and mixing them together because I noticed with the one that sort of matches my skin, it gives me like an orange tint. So I got a lighter one to like cancel that out, if that makes any sense. But at the end of the day, it's giving skin.
Get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no dead weight. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You won't miss this body. Too late, oh, I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff.
Now it's time to contour. I started putting the product on the back of my hand and then working it into my skin using a brush, and I love doing it that way. I do this with my blush too.
I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone and don't leave the lights on for me. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh, I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on damaged goods, damn it should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay?
I low-key fell in love with this concealer. It's the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Caramel or 40, the number 40. But I just put that on and blend that bad boy out. To set, I'm using this e.l.f. HD powder, and I love this powder. I have oily skin and it makes my makeup stay matte and in place all day. It also helps with creasing under my under eye. And because it's summertime, I like kind of like a dewy, glowy kind of look. So I use Maybelline's Lasting Fix, and then I use the Milani Make It Last.
I'll lay you to rest in pieces. No picture on a t-shirt, like you never existed. I'm done being a victim. This my villain era, look out. I go hard for my heart, play with her, it go down. Now you blocked.
Now it's time for the lip combo. I use the NYX lip pencil and espresso, and then the NYX lip gloss and lava cake, and then a bit of honey. It is my favorite lip combo, and I'm forever using this, girlfriend.
Memorial service in your was green on that other side. Guess what? I'ma help you decide. Tattooed on my tears, no, I swear that you won't catch me cry. Got no reasons left to rewind. I gave you my word. Try it again, I'll put you on a bench. Do not disturb. To think I used to dream of being your wife.
And that is it for today's look. I love it so much. I pretty much do this every single day, and I just feel like it's so light and natural looking. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.